Head back to Clifton to see my old friend, the best people I ever have met. Skin up a fat one, hide from the feds. Something is changing, changing, changing. So I kiss goodbye to every little ounce of pain. Light a cigarette. Miss the earth so much, I miss my wife. Lonely out of space on such a timeless flight. And I think it's gonna feel long. Nothing you can know that can't be known. Nothing you can see that can't be shown. No way you can be that you know you were meant to be. It's easy. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. Love is all you need. I saw her today at the reception. Glass of wine in her hand. She was going to meet her connection. At her feet was but this man. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. For never to return. Oh, Brooklyn, Brooklyn, let me in. Are you aware of the shape I'm in? My hands, they shake, my head, it spins. Ah, Brooklyn, Brooklyn, take me in. Bye, bye, baby, it's been a sweet love. Though this feeling I can't change, but please don't take it so badly. Lord knows that I'm to blame. Drove back to town this morning, with working on the mind. Thought of maybe quitting, thought of leaving it behind. It's cold outside, she in her raincoat. She's always worried about things like that. Said it's all gonna end and it might as well be my fault. She only sleeps when it's raining, and she screams, and her voice is straining. She says, baby, it's 3 a.m. I must be lonely. You know I bleed myself dry. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. And everything you do, to be a rock and not a roll. Little black submarines, operator, please. And she's buying a stairway to heaven.